our hunger with other things. Drugs and alcohol, bad relationships, whatever it may be that you're feeding yourself for fulfillment. Jesus is the bread or the food for life. He is the person that is able to strengthen you. He's the person, the only one that can fill and make your life complete. How many want to be complete? If you really want to be complete,